Welcome to class 1 of Affiliate Marketers Vault. In this class, we are going to learn how to make up to $10,000 in the next 30 days with affiliate marketing. Okay, so once upon a time, internet marketing was a very new thing, and because of this, there were less people who were trying to sell products online. So, what this means is that the marketplace was less saturated, competition was much lower, and the cost of advertising was much lower as well. Just imagine, there was a time when Google PPC ads just costed 1 cent to 20 cents per click. And I am not talking about Google Content Network. I am talking about the keyword targeted search traffic for just 1 cent to 20 cents. Like today, for some niches, the CPC rates or the PPC rate can go as high as even $10, $15 per click. But there was a time when Google search traffic you can get for just 1 to 20 cents per click. Okay. now first I will explain the affiliate marketing success formula. In 2004, like in 2004, if a person wanted to be successful in affiliate marketing, then the below is what they should do. Okay, so if a person found an average affiliate offer to promote and found some targeted keywords using Google's free keyword tool, then this person can send super targeted search traffic to the affiliate offer he is promoting for as low as even 1 cent per click. Okay, meaning almost anybody can make money with affiliate marketing if they knew what to do, because Google search traffic you can get for just 1 cent per click. Okay. But now it's a completely different story. But you know something, even though the marketplace is way more saturated than 10 years ago, even though the competition is much more higher than 10 years ago, even though the cost per click for advertising have skyrocketed, let's say 10 years ago. Okay, like I said, like once you can get 1 cent clicks from Google search traffic, now it's like for some niches, it's even like $15 per click. Okay, so even though the price also have increased, there are still many ways to make up to $10,000 in just 30 days with affiliate marketing. So if you do these methods today, then after 30 days from now, you will be able to make up to $10,000 with affiliate marketing. But most of these inner secrets are kept hidden in a secret vault that is the brains of these guru marketers. And one of the only way to learn these secrets is to hire these gurus for group or one-on-one coaching program where you will have to spend $997 or $5,000 or even $25,000 for the coaching program. Wait, like you'll be asking, like, why would anyone spend $25,000 for a single coaching call? Yes, wait. When you invest this $25,000 one time or in payment plans, you will learn how to make up to $10,000 in just 30 days. Okay. Once you learn, you will be able to apply the methods and make $10,000 in just 30 days. Okay. So once you have made up to $10,000 in just 30 days, then you can again do the same things you learned from this coaching call and again make up to $10,000 in the next 30 days. And in this kind of way, in a year, you will be able to make up to $120,000 for the $25,000 you invested for the coaching call. So in 2 years, if you do the same things that you learned in the coaching call, then you will be able to make up to $240,000 for the $25,000 you invested for the coaching call. Okay, after 4 years, you can make double. After 8 years, you can make like $1 million. with what? With the $25,000 you invest. So my question is, if you can make up to $240,000 in just 2 years, and if you can have the freedom to quit your job and live the life you dream of, then is the $25,000 one-time payment worth it? Obviously, yes, right? I mean, it's worth it if you believe your life and your dreams are worth it, right? But you know what? In this coaching program called Affiliate Marketers Vault that I'm giving you for free, I'm going to teach you some of the things people who charge even $25,000 for coaching call will teach you. Okay? So this way, you can also have the freedom to quit your job and live the life you dream of. And you don't have to spend like $25,000 to learn these things. Like you can learn with me. Like I will teach you and you can learn with me for free. Okay? So I'm not going to waste mine or your time, and I will go straight to how to make up to $10,000 in the next 30 days with affiliate marketing. Okay, you know something? I got my first significant results in affiliate marketing when I ranked a YouTube video in the first page of Google using search engine optimization methods. Okay, so I promoted a ClickBank affiliate offer with my YouTube video and was getting around 1 to 3 sales per day on average. Okay, but that was over 7 years ago, and today it's a lot more harder to rank YouTube videos in Google's first page, and it will take you a lot more time to make any money with this method. Okay, unless you do some scammy black hat method, which I wouldn't recommend. Okay, like I'm not going to teach you some scammy methods. Like if you want to make up to $10,000 in the next 30 days with affiliate marketing in a respectful, genuine, honest way, then I will show you how. Okay, like if you are somebody who just want to make money somehow, then maybe you can try those black hat methods, which I wouldn't teach you because I don't want to do it myself. But if you want to make up to $10,000 in a respectful way, then attend every grab every piece of the information that I'm giving you for free in this free coaching program. Okay, like I said above, gone are the days when you can get 1 cent high quality traffic from the ad networks. Today maybe you can get bot clicks for 1 cent, but since bots are just bots and not humans, you will not make any sales with this type of traffic. Today, a good ad network will cost you at least 50 cents to $3 per click. So, if you want to send 100 targeted people to your affiliate link, then you will have to spend up to $300 for the ad campaign. But my question is, if you can spend $300 for the ad campaign and make up to $600 in sales, then are you ready to spend $300 for the ad campaign? Yes, obviously, right? Like, I mean, like, you put $300 in the ad campaign and you make $600 back, like, you doubled it. So, you're obviously ready to invest $300 in the ad campaign, right? So, I just want to let you know that my coaching will be focused on how you can make a ton of profits with paid ads. But don't get me wrong, you don't need a $10,000 budget or even $1,000 budget, but you can get started with just $100 budget to run paid ads. Also, I'm not going to teach you something which will look good but will not make you up to $10,000 in 30 days. I will teach you real, practical way which will give you real results. So if you are looking for some free way without you being ready to put some skin in the game, then you can go for people who will teach you the free traffic methods, which will look good but may not give you the promised results. So only if you want real fast methods in a respectful way, then you should go through this coaching program I'm giving you for free. I mean, you know the difference between a fake iPhone and an original iPhone, right? Both will look good, okay? But you know there's a huge difference, right? So like that free traffic method may look good, but that might be the only thing that's good about free traffic method. But like how paid traffic changed the life of thousands or even tens of thousands of people worldwide, paid traffic will also work for you if you understand how people set up paid ads for profit in today's situation. If you just set up paid ads in a random way, then you will get random results. But if you set up paid ads for profit in today's situation, then you will get profit. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to run paid ads and make a ton of profit with paid ads. Okay. Just imagine. Let's say the cost per click is $1. That is, you're spending $1 per click on your ad. Now let's say you bought 100 clicks at the CPC rate. That is $1 per click. So you spend $100 to get 100 clicks, right? Okay. Now the mistake many people will do is they will send these 100 clicks to the affiliate offer directly. So what happens is that they will get 100 clicks, and depending on the affiliate offer, they will get 1 to 2% conversion rate in a good case. So 1 to 2% of 100 clicks is only 1 to 2 sales. Let's say the affiliate offer will pay just $19 per sale. Okay. So in a good case, they will make maximum $19 plus $19 is equal to $38 from the $100 spent on paid ads. This is what happens if you send paid traffic directly to the affiliate offer. Okay, so even in a best case scenario, they will make only $38 from the $100 spent on paid ads. So from the start itself, because they don't know the secrets which are locked away in the secret vaults, that is the brains of these guru marketers, they are doing an outdated affiliate marketing model which already positions them to fail from the start. Like, I want to teach you how to position your ad for profit, okay? But when you do outdated methods, okay, you are positioning your ads to fail from the start. Now, a bit more savvy marketers will see some YouTube videos, read some blogs, and listen to some podcasts even, and will send the 100 clicks from the ad campaign to a landing page so that they can capture their email address and run an email follow-up sequence. So why are they trying to capture the email address? Because they want to send an email follow-up sequence. Now the reason why they want to send an email follow-up sequence is because they want to make a lot more money from the ad campaign with the email follow-up sequence. Yes, to be honest, with an email follow-up sequence, you can make a lot more money with your campaign. But guess what? Sorry. Oh yeah. But guess what? This was mainly true maybe 5 years ago. What I mean is, back in the days, email delivery rate was much higher. What I mean is, when you send emails via your email autoresponder system like GetResponse, Aweber, etc., more of your emails would have skipped the spam section and successfully reached your email subscribers inbox. Plus, not many people compared to today were doing email marketing, right? So it was much more effective. Now, what I mean by much more effective is all the email marketing tricks you do to your email subscribers are already done to them up to 100 times per day by other email marketers. So 5 years ago, your email follow-up sequence would have made you a lot more money. But today it's not as effective as back in the day. But guess what? If you have a pretty good email follow-up sequence, like the one I will be teaching you in the coming days for free, like I'm going to teach you how to set up a highly effective email follow-up sequence, like the 9 days to millionaire email follow-up sequence, or the 365 days money rain email follow-up sequence. Like I will be teaching you how to set this up for free. Okay. If you set up email follow-up sequence like that, then you can up to double your profits. Like in the past, during the early days of email marketing, you could have made like 4 or 5 times or even much more money with email marketing. But at the moment, if you set a pretty good email follow-up sequence, then you can up to double your profits. So if you go with the above example that we were talking about, then you can send 100 clicks for $100 to a landing page and not only make up to 2% conversion rate, meaning you can get up to 2 sales and make up to $19 plus $19 is equal to $38, but with a 30 to 90 days email follow-up sequence, you can up to double your revenue. That is, you can make up to $38 into 2 is equal to up to $76 from this $100 ad campaign. So what happens is you spend $100, get 100 clicks to a landing page, get 2 people to buy the $19 affiliate offer and make it $38. Then in the next 30 to 90 days, you will be following up with your email subscribers and you can expect to get up to 2 more sales. Okay, so total, first you get 2 sales, then after 90 days of email follow-up, you'll get 2 more sales. So total 4 sales. So you doubled your income. Okay. But guess what? In today's market condition, even with a super effective email follow-up sequence, even with a 90 days long email follow-up sequence, you will make more money than normal, but still you will struggle to break even. Like you spend $100 and you made $76 back for this example. So what should you do in today's condition to make a ton of profit with paid ads? What should you do in today's condition to make up to $10,000 in the next 30 days with affiliate marketing? Yes, that's right. You need a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, which will make you up to $2 for every $1 you spend on paid ads. Okay, 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. Now, next day, I will go more deeply on what is this 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, and most importantly, the idea behind why a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel can easily give you insane profits with paid ads. Okay, like the 1, 2, 3 sales funnel is not like a normal sales funnel where I'm going to teach you like, okay, when you have upsells, when you have down sells, when you have cross sells, you will be able to break even. Like 1, 2, 3 sales funnel have a special piece of the puzzle. Okay, like a special thing. Like when I explain to you the next day what this thing is, you will understand like why it's so effective. Like when you use a 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, like when you understand the special thing that's inside the 1, 2, 3 sales funnel, you will understand why it's so easy to profit. Like you'll be saying like, oh, okay, now I understand. Like you understand, right, what I mean? Like I'm not going to teach you like, okay, 1, 2, 3 sales funnel has an upsell, so you'll get more profit. No, this one special piece is what makes 1, 2, 3 sales funnel. I would say, or I believe, the easiest way to profit with paid ads. Okay, so tomorrow I'll explain what it is. Like tomorrow or the next day when I email you. So that's the idea, and I will also show you the 1, 2, 3 sales funnel that I have deployed in the marketplace at the moment, which is making me money. Okay, and when you learn this tactic, you can also deploy this kind of 1, 2, 3 sales funnel and make money as well. And I will also explain each piece of the puzzle for free, including that special piece as well. So see you in the next class. And guys, let's have some fun learning the secrets of affiliate marketing in today's marketplace. Okay, sounds good? Great. So talk soon, Matt Saji. For your information, actually, this is a $25,000 training program I am giving you for free right now. There will be no restrictions, no limitations, and no time limit. You can also use the information you are learning in however way you want. And you don't have to pay me a single cent now or later. But if you like the insane amount of value you are getting now and you're going to get in the future, then you can click on the button below and pay just $90 as a thank you for everything you are getting for free right now. Okay, so if you want to thank me for everything you are learning today, you're going to learn in the next classes, and the results you are going to get, then you can just click on the button below and pay just $90 as a thank you for everything you are getting. Okay. Now, if you want me to personally walk you through step by step from start to up to $10,000 in the next 30 days with affiliate marketing, where I will spend 30 minutes personally with you every day and teach you what you need to do each day one on one. And after the 30-minute coaching call each day, you can spend just like 30 minutes to do the steps I taught you in the coaching call. So 30 minutes, I will teach you what to do. Then the next 30 minutes, you can apply what I taught you. Okay. And if you do this for the next 30 days, then you will be able to make up to $10,000 with affiliate marketing. Okay. So ask yourself, like, do you want to make $10,000 in the next 30 days? Then ask yourself, like, what will you get by making up to $10,000 in the next 30 days? Okay. Now, since my personal time is involved, that too for 30 days, normally I would charge at least $5,000 for this one-on-one coaching program. Okay. But at the moment, you can join this one-on-one coaching program for the below special price safely through PayPal buyer protection. Okay. Yes, you can choose one-on-one coaching or group coaching or the fully done for you program where we will set everything up for you. Okay. At this special price. But this special price may not be available for long. Okay. Also, guys, you are protected since you're going to make the payment through PayPal. You are protected by PayPal's 180 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee if you didn't get what you bought. So you have no risk. Okay. Also, like, this special price is only for 5 people per month. Like, I don't want to invest too much of my time. Like, I am doing this to help you. So if you're interested at the special price, and if the below buttons are still working, like if the below work, but when you click on the below buttons, and if it goes to, sorry, expired page, then you had to wait till the next month. But when you click on the button below, and if it's still not going to the expired page, then that means there is at least one more spot which you may lose if you don't take action now. Okay, so I highly recommend you to click on the button below and grab this opportunity uh, to build a $10,000 per month income stream for you. Okay. Also, very soon, like after a few days or maybe tomorrow, like very soon, I will be emailing you with the next part of this life-changing online course called Affiliate Marketers Vault, second class. Okay, this was first class, then I'll send you the second class. Okay, so keep your eyes open for my next emails. Guys, thank you so much for spending your time with me, and see you in the next class. Like, if you have any questions or any doubts about anything and you want to contact me, you can just email me at msajikm@gmail.com. Okay, msajikm@gmail.com. Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you for your time and see you in the next class.